Hi, I'm Barb Casey. I'm the president of the Multifamily Northwest Foundation Board. The Foundation Board was developed a couple of years ago as a 501c3 to support the efforts of donations to various organizations that need assistance. Tonight, we are having our inaugural wine event at the Tumwater Vineyard in West Lynn, Oregon, supporting Rebuilding Together.
We, Rebuilding Together, want to thank all of y'all for coming out to provide your support to this organization. So Rebuilding Together as an organization supports low-income homeowners, so we focus on providing no-cost home repair for critical life safety issues for these low-income homeowners. In the last 30 years, since we've been affiliated here in Portland, we've served over 1,500 homes. We've performed over 120 different community revitalization projects in that time. And then we have, every year, we muster just about 1,200 volunteers to give back to these homeowners.
We will be having a silent auction.
All right, if you have your ticket, it's 058877073.
Lots of good food, of course wine, and it should be an exciting event.
Multifamily Northwest!
We're hoping you can join us for future events, and to find out more about those, please visit our website at multifamilynw.org and sign up for the next event. I'll see you there.
Multifamily Northwest Foundation.